Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 12 mini in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone 12 is using either the volume up or the volume down button in combination with the side button. So you want to press and hold either the volume up or the volume down button along with the side button for about 3 to 5 seconds. So I'll hold the volume up and then the side button at the same time for about 3 seconds or so, and then this menu to slide to power off, which will turn off your iPhone. Now the second method, it's going to be going into your setting of your iPhone. Once in your setting, you're going to simply go to general and scroll all the way down where you have the option to shut down. And if I click on shut down, as you can see here, I can simply slide to power off the iPhone 12 mini here. Now, third method works with using Siri. If you have Hey Siri, or if you want to activate Siri, you can press and hold the side button and tell Siri to power off. So I'll do that. Hey Siri, power down. Yes. And then Siri will ask you to confirm if you want to power off or power down, and then after that the screen will go completely black like the first two methods. Now you want to give yourself about 15 to 20 seconds for the phone to fully shut down, and after that you're going to hold this side button until you see the Apple logo to appear to restart your iPhone. So we're going to press and hold this side button for the phone to restart again, and once you see the Apple logo, you let go of that side button. Another way, if it doesn't turn on while pressing and holding that side button, you can also plug it into a charger. Once you plug into the charger, the phone will automatically turn on or restart as well, because the way they're designed to turn on whenever it's connected to a power source when it's turned off. So those are the ways to turn off and restart your iPhone 12 mini. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.